I just want to ask Mr. Dushyant Dave, who's joining us as well, that, you know, this brings us to the sort of debate on why we still have sedition in our law books, even now, Mr. Dave. But, you know, what do you make of this charge sheet today? The police relying on eyewitnesses, no concrete video evidence, let's say, you know, for instance, against Kanhaiya. What do you think of this? And coming at the time that it does.
I think it would not be, proper to speculate as to what one thinks of the evidence without really reading the evidence in entirety as the police has presented. But fact of the matter is that sedition is a relic from the British Raj. It was brought in, I think, 1895 or something. And it was really to, pressurize the freedom, fighters who were, carrying out a struggle against the British Raj from the 19th century. Now, today's time, when you have fundamental rights, which are so widely interpreted, where every one of us has a right to criticize the government in power and, ask for all kinds of, raise all kinds of slogans that we want to raise, without really actually meaning to, create a situation where we are, guilty of treason or where we are really trying to overthrow the democratically elected government. You can't really charge people for mere sloganeering. So I am really amused at this kind of a charge. And unfortunately, the police really works under the diktat of the party in power. The police is under the central government, which is BJP controlled, and police really doesn't have any independent say in the matter. I doubt they have really consulted the legal experts who would have, analyzed the evidence to really reach the conclusion that prima facie charge sheet should be filed. The fact that 3 years have taken to file charge sheet is important because the general elections are round the corner. The BJP wants debate on every irrelevant issue, including, sedition, and they will use this for next few weeks or few months to, say that a lot of people are anti-India and therefore what should be done about that. Let us understand one thing. Those people who kill in the name of religion, those people who kill in the name of the cows, are they not guilty of sedition? Are they not trying to really throw the democracy out of this country? So why not charge them? So I think this is ridiculous, what they have done. It is unfortunate, and I really hope and I'm sure that ultimately this trial is not going to succeed without really going into the details, and the court will throw it out at some point. But the whole purpose of political establishment is that use it in the meanwhile for the purpose of spreading, disinformation amongst people, that there are a large number of people who are indulging in this kind of activities. There are urban Naxals, there are all kinds of people. So it serves their purpose. So I don't think we should be really worried about it.
You question